Hey, have a bite of your cinnamon bun.
Go for it. Where's this Thanksgiving?
Oh, my bad.
Scrumptious. You want some of my turkey?
It's actually a lot better than my turkey. Pancake?
Lovely. I'm gonna heat this up. Don't worry, this bridge is great. The architecture is amazing. It'll stand up, no matter what happens.
It's here.
This bridge is fantastic, Jacob. Don't worry about it. Don't fret.
Okay, I think they got it. Anyway. Wow. Lovely weather today. It's not too cool, not too hot, just perfect.
It really is. It's great. It's great.
And look at this beautiful place. I put up some nice artwork over there, in case you haven't noticed.
Oh, I love it. I love this one over here. Oh, this one's fantastic. It's great. Amazing. What quality work of art. Who made this one? And this one? I love it. It's perfect. Honestly, this might be my favorite piece of all time.
Yes, I had this installed a few years ago. It really is quite a powerful piece of work. I bought it at an art gallery. It has a sort of transcendent, erotic quality that I love. It's quite powerful. It really
Yes,
ties the room together.
The attention to detail is astounding. Like, look at these.
Oh,
This here, all this white spot splotching, and then all this detail in here. And look, the artist even worked in their signature.
Yes, it's,
And into the intricacies of this erotic work.
it's quite a masterstroke, I must admit. I'm so glad we cleared all the natives from this land.
It's really the best.
Yeah, it was a bloodbath, but now it's just the two of us.
It's serene. Look at
Peaceful.
this. There's not even a sign they were ever here.
Okay.
Happy Friendsgiving.
Let's look at the camera. Okay. And
Soy boy smile.
soy boy.
Soy boy.
Oh, it's like really bright. That's cool.
What?
It's like heavenly.
Want to see it? Oh, this thing is so nasty.
That's awesome.
Oh, the colors are just beautiful.
Wouldn't it